Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Hello there. Are you ready to have some fun with me? Awesome. Today, we're going to go on a little adventure and learn all about the wonderful things we do at home. Let's get started.
Hello, little friend. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Are you ready to learn?
You know what we're going to talk about? Our home. A home is a super special and happy place, isn't it? It's where we get to be with our families and play with our favorite toys. So, let's find out what makes our home so great. A home is a place where we always feel cozy and happy and super safe. Kind of like being wrapped in a warm, snuggly blanket.
That's right. That's the most important thing about a home. It's a place filled with so much love where we can always feel safe and warm.
Okay, let's try saying it together. Can you say it with me? Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Home! Yay! You did it. That was amazing.
All right, our busy day is about to begin. Let's see all the fun things we do as soon as we wake up. Rise and shine! Look, the sun is up. That means it's time to wake up. We open our sleepy eyes and say a big, happy good morning to everyone. Can you try saying that? Good morning! After a long, cozy sleep, our bodies need a big stretch. Can you stretch your arms up high just like the bear? Reach for the sky. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, that feels so good.
Next up, it's time to make our teeth sparkle. We get our toothbrush ready. First, we brush up, swish, swish. Then we brush down, swish, swish. And now, look, our clean teeth are shining so bright. Ta-da!
Now let's get our hands and face all clean. Can you pretend to wash your hands with me? We can even sing a little song. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Make lots and lots of bubbles. And here comes the best part. Time to rinse with water. Get ready? Splash, splash, splash. Oh, it's so much fun to play in the water, isn't it?
All done. Now look at your hands. They're so squeaky clean. And you know what that means? Clean hands are very happy hands. Hooray!
Now that we're all fresh and clean, you know what it's time for? 2 of my favorite things, eating yummy food and playing fun games.
Did you hear that? My tummy is rumbling. It must be time to eat. We sit at the table and eat our yummy food. Yum, yum, yum. That apple looks delicious. After we eat, it's playtime. We can build tall towers with our blocks, or draw colorful pictures, or maybe play with our favorite teddy bear. Oh, playing is just so much fun.
Sometimes it's nice to have a quiet moment too. We can snuggle up close and read a book together. Books are amazing. They have so many great stories and pictures inside.
After all that playing, our room can get a little messy. But you know what? That's okay, because cleaning up can be a fun game too. And remember, a clean home is a happy home. Let's sing our special tidy up song. Are you ready?
Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share.
See? It's so easy. We just put all our toys back where they belong. The blocks and the crayons and the teddy bear all go right into the toy box. All neat and tidy. Good job. Phew! We had such a busy, happy day. But look, the sun is going down and the moon is coming out. It's time to get ready for bed. After all that fun, we start to feel very sleepy. Can you give a big yawn with me? Our bodies are telling us it's time to rest. So we hop into our cozy beds, we close our eyes, and we drift off to dreamland. Good night, little friend. Sleep tight. Wow, what a super busy and fun day we had. Let's remember everything we did. First, we woke up in our cozy bed. Then, we brushed our teeth to make them sparkle. We ate some yummy food. We played with our favorite toys. We read a wonderful story. And finally, we went to sleep when the moon came out. What a great day. We do so many wonderful things at our special place called home. Now it's your turn to think. What is your favorite thing to do at home? Maybe you can tell a grown-up all about it. Thanks for learning with me today. Goodbye.